decide what I wanted to do for my first Gundam. This is technically not a Gundam. It is a same scale, 141 to 144. 1 to 144 scale. So this is the same scale as the Gundam stuff, but they're generic. So yeah, this is going to be a little experience. So this guy here is armed with a beam shotgun. So as far as the assembly, the instructions are on the side here. We go basically, what does it say? Top to bottom in order. So we build the head, and then we build the body, etc., etc. Oh, there is instructions in here. Cool. Yeah, right. So, cool thing, interesting, different to what I'm used to. The sprues are different colored, or runners, as they're called in the Gundam circles. Very kind of stiff plastic, you know, same kind of oh boy, that's more complex than I imagined. All right. That's a lot of stuff. It's a lot of information that's not in English. Oh, all right. So I guess we just start from the top and work our way down, right? Simple instructions that allow for easy assembly. All right, you're the boss. All right, so we're going to start here. Start from the top. Parts fit together securely. So in theory, I don't need glue, right? Sure. All right. Let's get a bit of this action happening. All right, so we're going to start with the head. pretty much the best. Look, what did I learn? Okay, I learned you need to be patient. I've learned you need to cut away from the model first to release the pieces away from the sprue or the runner, and then cut in. That way you're less likely to stress the plastic. Definitely a lot of using a knife as opposed to using the mold line remover, which is what I would normally do for like 95% of my model building. I would use the mold line remover. So that's an interesting little different thing. So I'm actually using this to cut away, not to scrape any little nubs or gates. Definitely having some good quality tools helps. So these are the new Citadel cutters, which are quite good. They give a lot cleaner cut than the old Citadel cutters, but I think I'm still going to invest in a pair of Godhand SP120s, the creme de la creme. I've been eyeing them off for like a year now, and I very nearly bought a pair today, but I'm glad that I persisted with these because they're quite good. But like it'll be a good reference point for the Godhands. So this bad boy wasn't painted. He's just straight off the sprue, straight out the box. And I used a bunch of the Gundam panel liners. So I used a grey and then wiped it away, a bunch of a black as well for the harder line ones. So this will be interesting because I'm keen to get my hands on a couple other colours of these, see how they perform. But I really, really liked, you can kind of see here, where it you put it on and wipe it away with your thumb. It gives an interesting effect. So I like that a lot. Very, very happy. But yeah, my 30-minute mission turned into a 3-hour mission. But, you know, I like to... Oh, look at him go. I'm going to have so much fun posing these. Yeah, that was really fun. Good way to spend a night, actually.